Hey, this is Eli from Corona Cigar in Sand Lake, and today I'm excited. We're going to talk about the Davidoff 2011 Master Blend Selection. Eladio Diaz every year would go ahead and make a blend for himself. This one is an Ecuadorian Habano wrapper. It's got a San Andreas binder, and it's got 5 different fillers in this. That's crazy. It's unbelievable. What you got is a medium to full-bodied cigar right here. And if we take a look at the cigar, great looking cigar. Davidoff is always known to have awesome cigars. Beautiful wrapper on it. They do a really, really nice job. And on the cold draw, you can taste it's like a little red pepper, a little bit of spices, kind of like kitchen spices. Nothing too crazy. Really, really nice cold draw. Very easy, very smooth to draw. It's not tight. As I mentioned, medium to full body. The retrohale, very smooth. Still tastes the spices, the kitchen, what I call the kitchen spices. A little bit of orange peel, not much, but just a hint. But look at the smoke on that. It's still coming out, it's beautiful. This, my friends, is a phenomenal stick. You're looking for a medium body, you can't go wrong with Davidoff. You must try the Master Blend 2011. See you next time.